Mabuhay! Welcome to my studio and YouTube channel, Old School by Zeus. I'm Zeus Paredes, born and raised in Manila, Philippines. I'm a visual communicator and industrial designer with a background in architecture. Currently, I'm based in Houston, Texas. I've been married to Nilda for 47 years. Together, we have 2 children, and I'm a proud lolo of 4 grandchildren. I am an alumni of the University of Santo Tomas College of Architecture and Fine Arts, where I have acquired my bachelor's degree in fine arts. I chose this date, July 16, as a date of my maiden broadcast as a tribute to my dear papa, architect Achilles Castro Paredes, better known as Kellogg to his colleagues. He would have been 103 today. He passed away in 2005 at the age of 84. We'll talk more about him as well as my lolo Gregorio, who died 3 years before I was born, but has remained my greatest inspiration since my early childhood. So what is old school? Ano nga ba ang laman nito? At alituntunin. I name my channel Old School because here I will outline a wide variety of stories from my past and how we did things back then. It was a time that required a lot of innovation and improvisation. Growing up, we did not have the internet, smartphones, or social media, Google or YouTube. We submitted our book report, handwritten, or use a typewriter. If you want to communicate to your family in the provinces, you have to go via email or telegram. The fastest is via long distance call, pero kailangan long distance din ang bulsa mo. On this channel, I will talk about my vocation as a visual communicator and will be featuring some of my paintings and works. I'll discuss one of my preferred medium, pen and ink, and give you an insight to over 400 unpublished works. We will also talk about my practice and experiences as a designer in the Philippines as well as here in the US. There will be case studies of my previous projects and contents on critical details, so we can add to your own development. You can look forward to discussions about creating architectural freehand drawings with a focus on dimensional stone details. Additionally, I love the process of creating with a variety of materials, and I always take pictures while I work to document my projects. They could be anywhere from a scaled model of Tesla Cybertruck in cardboard, sewing bow ties, to boats made of cardboard and duct tape. I hope to share this all with you. I'm also a storyteller. On this channel, except some of my storytelling time about Old Manila and other memories of my childhood, you'll also hear some stories I wrote, or one of the stories that I wrote about, including Butiki at Gagamba, the lizard and the spider, which is about our perceptions, our individuality and culture, and hopefully to publish it by next year. I came from a family of educators. My grandfather, Gregorio Belchor Paredes, is one of the founding professors of the first school of architecture in the Philippines, the Mapua Institute of Technology, and 3 other universities in the Philippines. My papa, architect Achilles C. Paredes, taught architectural design in the same school for 26 years. My brothers, architect Cerces Paredes and architect Eros Paredes, were also professors in the University of Santo Tomas College of Architecture and Fine Arts. Eros taught for 26 years and also served as assistant dean of the college, so it's in my blood. Here I am, although we are not in the same physical room, I'll be here with you online. So abangan, Check back every week for a new video. Please subscribe and share my channel so you can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, or I hope to hear from you. Maraming salamat po.